Hello everyone, and welcome to another video on our CodeSign Secure tabs. Today we'll be talking about the signing tools. Now these signing tools are vital to all of your clients for the setup of your environment. That documentation tab we showed in our first video explains kind of how that documentation works and where you would know that you would need things like the KSP or the utility tool, things like that. So based on the installation you're trying to do for your client, that will determine what you download from the signing tools section. So we can see here that we can select by operating system. So if I just wanted Windows, Linux, or Mac options, or I could see them all. We also have the ability to search by the tool name itself. So if I just wanted certificate chain, I could do this. And we'll just briefly go through each of the tools here. Here we have our signing KSP. So this is for signing Windows files like EXEs, MSIs, DLLs, things like that. Here we also have the download for the certificate chain. So if you have an internal CA set up within your environment, and part of the steps in the process are the need for the certificate chain to be allowed within your environment, then you can download that here. We have our CodeSign Utility Tool used for OpenSSL, OVA and OVF files, HLK and HCK files. We have our PKCS11 wrapper for Ubuntu, so that's for any Linux signing you may need to do. We have the same wrapper for Mac and Windows as well, so any different types of signing you may need to do with the PKCS11 wrapper based on what our instructions say. That will determine that you need to download that from here. And then finally, we have our encryption consulting provider for Mac. So this is for Apple signing on Mac systems. So if we just go here to our download icon, we can download the latest version of the certificate chain. So if we just go in, we can see our root certificate and our intermediate certificate for our CAs. So thank you all for joining today. That's everything we have on our signing tools section of CodeSign Secure. And next time, we look forward to diving in depth with you on our reports section.